What is success? Success is an ever elusive subject. It becomes an obsession for those who do not possess it. When I was dead broke, not a morsel of food in my belly, I wanted nothing more than to be able to eat a nice, big, juicy steak. Once I got the steak, I wanted a car, a mansion, a yacht, and a million other things. But what is success? Earl Nightingale put it succinctly when he claimed that success was the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. To put it simply, he said that if you have a goal, some kind of ideal that you are working to fulfill, and you know where you are going in life, you are automatically and completely successful without qualification. The traditional definition of success is the attainment of a goal. If you had set the goal of making $1 million, for example, and you actually hit that goal, then you would be considered successful under that definition of success. Which one do I gravitate more to? I understand where Earl Nightingale is coming from. He cited a study in which people who had set goals were more likely to achieve them. That is that people who had a clear written goal to become rich were more likely to attain the goal than the people who were just winging it or playing by ear. I understand that what he is saying is that those who set goals are more likely to attain them, and those who attain them are successful. Therefore, those who set goals are more likely to be successful. Perhaps I am misunderstanding the thrust of what Earl Nightingale was really getting at. He did have one statement that offered a clue. He repeats this statement in most of his videos. It goes like this: we become what we think about. Is it true? When I was younger, I wanted to have the housing, the food, the conveniences, but I didn't want to have to work like a slave to get them. That's exactly what I got. I wanted to be healthy. I wanted to have the gym membership, the custom computer, the paint set. I wanted to improve in my artistic ability. I wanted to go back to college. All of these things came true. It's a lot easier to think of this as a way to predict your life.